Picture this: a solo rider, throttle wide open, chasing the horizons from the steel heart of Kharagpur to the lush vibes of Malda. No co-pilot, no itinerary, my trusty steed, and 400 kilometers of pure Bengal adventure.
Hello and good morning to all of you. So today this is going to be a very long ride, and in today's ride we'll be going to, actually the end point would be like Siliguri, Darjeeling. That's what I have planned, and I got this new microphone, so let me know how the audio is, guys, in the comments. And so today's plan will go to most probably Bankura, and I have a friend over there. So I'll be crashing out at his place, and this is going to be a rather longer ride. The ride should be around 1000 kilometers, so please join me for this amazing ride. And I think you have seen the thumbnail and also the intro. It's going to be nice. So let's head out, and let's see where we can fuel up, because the last time I fueled up at Geo, it wasn't good. So this time I'm gonna skip Geo and maybe go to Indian Oil, because they have much better fuel. And definitely let me know about the microphone, because this is new. Guys, I don't know if you can see this, but there's bad road ahead. Okay, so there are lots of pits over here. Bro, these are like 10-15 inches deeper, bro. What the hell? I must saddle this. Oh, what is that sound coming from my bike? What? Let me cross this. Let's go. Yeehaw, saddling. And a little more. Yes. And some asphalt. Finally, some asphalt. Let's go. Please don't tell me there is again bad road. Okay, it is bad road. Oh, that's some bullshit road. I like how the motorcycle feels lighter when you start. Okay, I guess I can make it. Let's go. I see asphalt. Let's go. Easy. You guys want to see cruise mode? You guys want to see cruise mode? Cruising. Okay, so guys, halfway into Bankura. I'll catch up with you guys after the next stop. ভাই
চকচক করছে তো একদম
গাড়ি
হ্যাঁ
চকচকি তো করবে,
মানে এতখানি আসলি
আজকে ডাস্ট কম ছিল।
চকচক করছে অনেকদিন তো হলো প্রায় মানে এক বছরের বেশি তো। But the road didn't stop there. Dawn broke with Bankura calling. A town of terracotta whispers and hilltop secrets. Yesterday's dust still clung to my jacket as I fired up the drone. Ready to peel back the skies.
So good morning everyone, and this is day 2. So last night I was at my friend's house. Yeah, let this guy pass. Hold on. So as I was saying, like last night I was at my friend's house, and this guy he told me let's go for a walk. Okay, and for us like normal people, 3 kilometers or 4 kilometers is like the max. This guy he took me for around 6 to 7 kilometers of walking. At first I was like okay, I kept on walking for like 6-7 kilometers and my legs went numb, totally numb. I had to write the other day, I told him. Then I finally, like, we went to a fancy place actually. The place was actually very nice, and we had some good food, good time, and came back. So now let's head out to my next location. Most probably I'll be stopping at Bolpur, and after Bolpur I'll be going to Bardhaman or Katwa. Let's see. Till then guys, enjoy this beautiful montage. See you on the other side. This is the Asansol Durgapur GT road, and from what I've heard, this is a very nice road, 6 lane. Let's see if it's a good road, then it's gonna save me a lot of time, like 30 minutes or so. let's just gun this road. I'll put it in a montage, I guess.
Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a six, like a G6, six. Popping bottles in the ice, like a blizzard. When we drink, we do it right. Getting slizzard, sipping scissor. Been my ride, like 3-6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, six, G6, G6, six, G6, G6, G6,
At this point, you must be wondering what happened to the cinematic shots, right? Well, let me tell you something. There's nothing, literally nothing in Katwa to see apart from the river. So yeah, I decided to fly it above the town. These are the shots I have. Enjoy them, I guess. As the sun slowly dips behind the skylines of Katwa, I think this is the perfect moment to wrap up part 1 of this journey. Today had everything: long roads, new places, and a lot of memories packed into a single ride. Instead of pushing further, I decided to call it a day here in Katwa, get some rest and recharge for tomorrow. In the next episode, we'll be leaving Katwa early in the morning and continue the ride towards our next destination with fresh roads, new challenges, and hopefully even better views. Until then, ride safe and take care.